Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about how we can do break-even analysis through MATLAB. Then secondly, we will also see how we can graphically visualize our problem. That is, we will graphically see that how much revenues are generated after each sale. And we will also see how much units sold we were able to achieve our break-even point. Let us discuss about the theory for a few moments. Break-even analysis in economics, business and cost accounting refers to the point in which the total cost and total revenue are equal. A break-even point analysis is used to calculate or determine the amount of units sold or dollars of revenue needed to cover the total cost. That is the fixed cost or installation cost and whatever the manufacturing cost is. This is our MATLAB environment, and this is the following example we are going to solve on MATLAB. Mr. Colin is an accountant in XY company. His company decided to install a water plant which has a total installation cost of $1,000, and this $1,000 will be our fixed cost. And this plant will sell a premium water bottle in $12, and this will be our selling price. And the total installation cost, the total manufacturing cost for the bottle will be $2. That is our variable cost. I don't know why I said premium. Maybe because I can get a water bottle for $2, so it has to be a premium bottle for $12. So coming back to our coding, so we have declared three variables: fixed cost, selling cost and manufacturing cost, and we have assigned the values $1,000, $12 and $2. In line 17, I have declared a variable called BEP, which is my break-even point or break-even quantity, and I have equated to break-even analysis formula. As you can see from this side, break-even quantity is equal to fixed cost divided by sale price or selling price minus variable cost or manufacturing price in our case. Then I have calculated the total sales by multiplying break-even quantity by selling cost. Finally, after that, I have called a function called plot break-even, which takes 5 arguments as input: fixed cost, selling cost, manufacturing cost, break-even point and total sales, and it will calculate our break-even analysis graph and animation. Let me just run this whole code again so you can see what it does. Now you can see we can graphically visualize our problem, and we can see how it's reaching our break-even point. In this graph, x-axis is the water bottle units and y-axis is the amount in dollars. We have a fixed variable cost or fixed cost, and then we have our total cost, which is the fixed cost plus variable cost. The marker here indicates that we have achieved our break-even point at 100 units sold. As you have seen how we can do simple break-even analysis through MATLAB and visualize it. MATLAB is a powerful tool that can be used to do simple calculations like break-even analysis to more complex calculations like solving a black currency model. Good, we have another model solved here. So that's it for now. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Feel free to contact me for MATLAB assistance, MATLAB tutor or for online lectures. Have a good day. Thanks. Now just for fun, let us change our input values at the fixed cost or maybe selling cost. Suppose there is a competition in the market and Mr. Colin has to decrease the price from $12 to, let's say, $8, and the manufacturing cost is the same, let's say $2.5. Now let us run this code and see how it will graphically affect our results in terms of results and in terms of graph, sorry. So we have in floating point notations, and you can see as selling cost is decreased, it takes more units to reach our break-even point. Here is the break-even point. That's good. Okay.